Hey peeps, has anyone seen the Benylin advert this year, 24, or last year now, 2014? Well, it sounds wrong at the end. Here's the bit I mean.
Benylin, treating the nation one cough at a time.
I mean, one cough. I thought about this the other day. It kind of sounds like wank off or jerk off. Treating the nation wank off at a time. I mean, I know it's wrong, but fuck me, it's funny. But one little thing can sound so wrong. And yet, who knows? Maybe it's just my mind. Let me know. Oh, I can't even keep a straight face. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.